Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 138th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use translate 2D method. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS as box, box shadow 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 5 pixel line, transition 425, height 150 pixel, width also 150 pixel, margin left 100 pixel, margin top 100 pixel, box equals to hour, transform translate 100 pixels. Now we'll end style tag, head tag, body tag, and div id equals to box. This is division tag. Now we'll end division tag and body tag, and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 138 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML and 138 program, and if we move it over here, it will move towards right side, and if we'll take arrow, it will be this, the picture will be at its original place, and so on. So this is our basic output, and don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding, and please like, share and subscribe the channel for the basic HTML videos.